I'm going to section it into two even portions, two halves. So now I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to activate the middle finger, and then I'm going to pass the hair, grab this hair like this, and then I'm going to grab this one like this, and then I am going to pass the hair from my right hand into the left hand. However, I'm going to be doing it via the middle finger. So I'm going to stick out my middle finger a little, and then I'm going to put the hair between my middle finger and the pointer finger, and then grab it like that. Then I want to turn my wrist activation, and I'm going to put this here, pass it on to this hand. So now I'm going to reposition my hand as it did in the beginning, and I'm going to repeat this step. Middle finger, snap it in there, twist wrist, reposition hand, middle finger, snap it in there, twist wrist, middle finger, reposition, 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 and so on. And I am going to just continue twisting until I get to the end. And by practicing it, the more you practice it, is the easier it becomes. So you just follow middle finger, reposition hand, middle finger, reposition hand, middle finger, reposition hand, and so on, and you continue until you get so fast at it that you can't even believe that you're the one twisting. So it's simple as that. Now this is a regular twist. Well, that's what I call it. It's a regular twist. So I'm gonna do a rope twist to show you the difference. Let me put the regular twist over here. Now I'm going to do a rope twist. I'm going to take a portion of the hair, maybe the same amount as I did before, and now I'm going to use the same method. However, as soon as I start twisting, I'll be twisting each strand towards the left. So as I go along, I'm twisting each strand towards the left. I keep my hands close to the twist, because if I do it like this, they're going to be long. But if I keep them close, they're going to be juicy and short. So as I go along, I twist, 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 both of them, and crisscross them. Same middle finger, and reposition hand, twist, 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 and then I continue. Now you can see the difference with a regular twist and the difference between a regular twist and a rope twist. Section the hair into two halves. Make sure that they're equal or even. And then you're just going to pass the hair from one hand to the other using the middle finger. So I'm just going to stick out my middle finger, grab it, twist my hand around, pass it on, reposition my hand, stick my middle finger out, reposition, middle finger, reposition, middle finger, reposition, middle finger. So for this one, the rope twist, we're going to do the same. We're going to put the hair in two halves, and then we're going to just put this one in between the middle finger on the other hand. And I'm going to take this portion and I'm going to start rolling it or twisting it to the left, because I'm moving to the left. And then that crisscross. and then I put it again in the middle finger. Now I'm going to keep twisting. Reposition hand, put this in here, twist, reposition hand, and put this in the middle, twist, reposition hand and put this in the middle, twist. And as you go along, you realize that you can do like this. As you go, you twist, same thing, reposition hand, pass it to the middle, reposition hand, bring it across, twist, bring it across, bring it across, and you continue to twist it as tight as you possibly can. Okay, sometimes when you get to the end of a twist, you realize that one section is a bit more than the other section. Like this one section is a bit longer than the other section. So what I usually do is pinch off a piece of this section over here and put it across here to make it even. So I pinch off a little piece from over here, which is the very long part, and put it over here to make it even, and then I continue twisting. So this is now the regular twist and the rope twist.